Hi! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, meron tayong natanggap na gift from Wawa Wing. Charot. So we will be trying this. Is this O33? Huh? Is this a brand or what? So juice from O33.
Origin
Origin
33.
33. So this beverage drink or fresh juice drink is made of green apple, celery, cucumber, pineapple, and ayan, in-squeeze siya para magkasya dito sa loob ng small bottle na to. And also it has ammonium dioxide and so titikman natin kung masarap ba. Let's do this. Amayin muna natin kung anong amoy kasi baka meron daw tong ampalaya and and you know the Carabao grass. Smell hindi masarap. Sarap.
Smell, hindi masarap, masarap pala.
May siya yung parang mga gulay-gulay. Tsaka may siya.
Dahon-dahon.
Oo, dahon-dahon. Yung mga kinchay. Ayan. So, ayun. Dapat ito yung nyo lagi kasi healthy, natural and organic, and talaga approved to ng PDEA. FDA by Food and Drugs. So approved siya dito sa UAE and talagang bongga. So iwas tayo sa soft drinks and then energy drink. So subukan nyo na to. Try nyo rin kasi pwede ito sa bahay gawin, di ba? So bili lang kayo ng yung juicer. And I'm so pretty dito sa sa iPhone 15 Pro. Thank you, yun lang guys. And it's so lamig na dito sa UAE kaya ako nakasweater. So yun lang, bye. Mua.